Any other questions? Okay, thank you.
Yeah, there's one on the chat.
Okay, please read, please.
When we convert, do we also choose a last name, or do we just keep our?
Oh, the last name you can. I mean, you can do whatever you want. It's like officially in what is it in America? You just go to court. I mean that's what how in my town you apply to court, and then you can change your name. But in Judaism we don't care about the last names. Right? We care about the name. Like when somebody, let's say, right? When I'm being called to the Torah, nobody cares about my last name. They care about my name, my first name. Sometimes people have double name, so I have double name, for example. Some have triple name because of some circumstances, right? Because somebody was sick or something, so they would add another name. Right, and my father name. That's it. So nobody cares about the last name, right? So your last name could be whatever. It's not Jewish concept. This last name, they force it on us. It's Gentile kings that just force on us these last names. It was never part of our tradition, right? And for women, so in for example she wants to get married, so in a ksuba, it's going to be her first name, whatever her name is, whatever she chooses during the conversion, right? And she's Ben Sarah. And so all of the converts that the Ben Abraham, so Abraham Avinu, and some actually say that he must say Abraham Avinu, right? Not just his father was Abraham, but it means specific Abraham our father. And Sarah, and sometimes some rabbis say that you must say Sarah Imeinu. So meaning Sarah our mother for converts. So but the last names you can change if you want.